Hello students and welcome to this video. Today's lesson gonna be so briefly we are going to talk about differences, or we are going to make a comparison between two kinds of bank, between conventional bank and the Islamic bank in offering. So make sure to take some notes and to pay attention to the differences between the two. To start with, here there are some points that it make a difference between the two, between the conventional bank and the Islamic bank. The first difference is gonna be on the deposit and liabilities. So in the conventional bank, it in offerings, of course, it accepts deposit on the basis of loans for all the types of deposit accounts, including term deposit, saving, and the current account. The interest-based here return are provided for the saving account, whereas current account may offer free banking facility. Whereas in the second part, or in the second bank, the Islamic bank, it offers deposit product based on the following structure. The first structure is a card. Current accounts are offered under the contract where the risk of the fund lies with the bank, and no added benefits are provided to the client slowly based on this facility. The second structure of Islamic bank is al-mudaraba. This type of partnership where client funds are invested in various businesses and return are shared between the bank and the client as per the agreed profit share. The following difference is between lending and financing. The conventional bank offer lending facility to their client in order to fulfill their cash requirements on the basis of loans contract, where the relationship between the bank and the client is that of the lender and the borrower respectively. It's gonna happen some contract or some characteristic. The first one is no risk of underlying assets. Also, the income through interest. Also, late payment charges on delayed payment and should constitute bank's incomes. Whereas the Islamic bank offers financial facilities to their client in order to fulfill their business requirements on the basis of the following contract depending on the requirements of the clients. So, Islamic bank financial transaction characteristic is that the Islamic bank take the risk of the assets. Also, the income is earned through sale or leasing contract. It share profits and bear loss as the case may be. Also, it can, in case of late payment or default by the client, there will be no penalty charges. The third point, or the third difference between the two, is gonna be on the trade finance. The conventional bank offer trade finance related operation under concepts of services, guarantee, and lending. The conventional bank trade transaction characteristic like commission-based income, income through guaranteeing payments, income through interest on loan payments, additional interest income on dealing payments, and so on. Whereas the Islamic bank also offers trade finance related operation under the concepts of services, guarantee, and financing with the following conditions. So Islamic bank's trade transaction characteristics are commission-based income as per the guideline of Sharia, income through payment and a document facilitation services, and the income through sales or lease assets. So here are briefly some notes or some comparison of differences happen to the conventional banks versus the Islamic bank. See you in the next video.